Hey, what's going on, my friend? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 per day using Google. And if you stick with me to the end, I'm also going to show you how to make 1,000 plus per day. So I hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned. Okay, let's get straight into it, guys. I'm going to show you exactly how you can make $100 per day online. Even if you're a broke college kid, it don't matter. If you follow what I'm going to show you in this video, you're going to be able to crush it. Now, like I said at the beginning, if you stick with me to the end, I'm also going to show you how you can make $1,000 per day. But anyway, guys, let's get into the content. The first thing you want to do in order for you to make $100 per day is you want to choose a product. You want to get a product and you want to promote it. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So you can head over to Google and search for ClickBank. That's a website that everyone knows about, has a ton of products on it. So you go over to ClickBank and you click on it, or you go over to Google, you search for ClickBank, you click on ClickBank, and right here where it says affiliate marketplace, you click on that. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. I'm not just going to show you the products. Okay, when you come to this page right here, there are different niches that you can choose from. I would say go into the health and fitness or the how to make money online. So today we're going to go into health and fitness. So you click right here. Now, whatever you choose, make sure it's a big niche though. And the health and fitness and how to make money online is huge. So after you click on health and fitness, it's going to bring you to this website. Now, what you want to do is you want to sort the products by the best ones. You want to make sure you're getting the best of the best. So when you come here, right here at this little tab, you click on gravity. And it's going to bring you back to best results. So you can see the best products here, guys. It shows you how much money you can make off this product. It shows you the rebill. And a rebill means you can get paid over and over every single month from this product or whichever product that has a rebill. Just make sure that you get a rebill. But if you can't, that's fine. But you're going to make the most money if you do. So I'm going to click on this one right here, for example, the red tea detox. So I'm going to click on that. And it's going to bring you to the website. And let me pause this. Okay. Now, the good thing about ClickBank and sites that's just like ClickBank is you don't have to create a website. They already have that done for you. And these owners spend thousands and thousands of dollars to get this done because they want to make sure that it converts. That's why I told you to sort it by gravity, because it's going to bring you back the best ones. And what you want to do, you choose whatever product you want to promote and you just click promote right here on this big red button on the side. You click on that and it's going to give you a big long link. What you want to do to shorten that link, you want to copy that link and go over to a site called bit.ly.com and you paste that link right here and you just click shorten. And it's going to bring you back a short link. So, you won't have a big long link going out there posting it everywhere. It just look ridiculous. So you want to get a short one. And there are other sites out there where you can shorten links from, but I mainly use Bitly. So go over to Bitly. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can make money with these products on ClickBank. What you want to do, and this is how you make $100 a day. You can go over to Google. And since we're in the how to lose weight fitness niche, that's what I typed up here, guys. You want to come to Google. If you're into how to make money online, you type how to make money online plus blog. Today we're doing how to lose weight. But when you put plus blog onto that, it's going to bring you back blogs where you can promote your link. The link that you got from ClickBank, you want to promote that link. And right here on the top result, you want to click on that. So I'm going to click on this where it says best weight loss blogs of 2018. And I just want to go through here and find a blog that I want to promote on. Now, there's a right way to do this, guys, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do, because most of the time people come on these blogs, they promote their link and they get deleted. We don't want that to happen to you. So we're going to show you how to do it. Right here, we're going to choose this one where it says no thanks to cake. We're going to click right here where it says visit the blog. Okay, I'm going to scroll down. We're going to click right here where it says read more. And guys, what you're going to do, this is how you do it the right way. You want to read through this blog. You don't have to read the whole thing. Just get an idea of what it's about. And what you're going to do, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. And right here where it says comment, you want to leave a thoughtful comment. Make sure it's related to what the blog is about. Don't just put anything there, because it will get deleted. Trust me, because I have a blog and I get people spamming my blog every single day with links, and I just delete it. But if someone take their time to leave a thoughtful comment, I usually leave it there, even with a link. And that's what you want to do. You want to leave a thoughtful comment, and you want to put your bit.ly link, which you got over from ClickBank. You want to put that there, and this is how you can make $100 a day. Now, this right here can take a lot of time to do, and I'm going to show you how to automate this, guys. The first thing you do when you choose a blog you want to promote on, you want to make sure that that blog is getting traffic to it. And how you do that, you copy the website link and you head over to a website called similarweb.com. That's similarweb.com. And what you do is paste your link right here in this search bar, and you click search, because it's going to bring you back data and let you know that this blog, let you know if this blog is worth your time. Because if it's not getting any traffic, you don't want to put your link on it. So you scroll down, and right here, guys, you want to look for the search results, because this is the traffic that's coming straight from Google. And as you can see, this website get pretty decent amount of searches. Right here, it got like 100,000 searches. And this is like monthly here. It went down to 15,000 searches, which is still good. And it's going back up. So this is definitely a good website where you can put your link on. But like I said, make sure it's a thoughtful comment before the link. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can automate this whole process, guys, whether it's make money from home or how to lose weight. I'm going to show you how you can automate this. So what you want to do, you want to head over to Google, and you want to search for Google Alerts. And basically what this website does, it alerts you whenever a new blog post something about how to make money online or how to lose weight. Like today, for instance, we're doing how to lose weight. So what you want to do right here where it says how often, I would say choose once a week. And guys, when you set up this right here, make sure you set up a new email. It don't take you 3 to 4 minutes to set up an email. Go to Google, set up a new email, because you don't want all this spam or all these emails coming to your, the email that you use all the time. Make sure it's a new email that's strictly for this right here. So you click however much you want to get alerts. That's up to you. But like I said, I would choose once a week here. And right here, guys, you want to choose blogs. Make sure you choose blogs. And whatever language, I'll choose English here. Or region, choose your region. I'm gonna choose United States. Only the best results. Make sure you choose that. Only best results. Put your email here, guys, and just click create alerts, and you're ready to go. Everything is going to be automated. Every time you get an email, guys, you can go out there, check that blog out, make sure it's getting searches, and post a thoughtful comment. And this is how you can make $100 every single day using Google. Now, I told you that at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $1,000 per day, guys. And basically, how I do that. And I do it all the time, and I'm going to show you. It's from a website called Legendary Marketer. Now, if this is your first time here, you probably never heard me talk about this, but if you're already subscribed to my channel, I talk about this company all the time. You know, a lot of people will be fine with $100 a day. And if you are, that's cool. But if you want to make way more than that, if you want to make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a day, then this company right here can help you do that. And how, you may be asking? Well, there is training inside this program. You have to, in order for you to get started, it does cost a small fee, $30, to get in the door, because you have to license the product in order for you to resell it. But once you get access to the products, they're going to teach you exactly how to go out there and sell it and make big commissions. Like you see right here, guys. Today, I've made $3,800 in a single day. Yesterday, I made $1,600. In the last 7 days, I've made $13,000. Last 30 days, $43,000, guys. And as you can see, I've been in this program maybe 9 or 10 months. I don't know exactly how long, haven't been keeping up with that. But in that length of time, I've made close to $300,000, guys. I'm knocking on the door right here. $300,000. This program, guys, when you get access to it, you will get your own coach to walk you through, show you exactly how to set everything up and get started. But this is not a sales video. I would love for you to be on my team if you choose to be, but if you don't, if you find with $100 a day, then hey, do it exactly what I showed you how to do, and you can do it. And I thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like videos like this right here, hit that subscribe button below, because I upload them almost every single week if I'm not doing other things. But if you want to stay updated, definitely subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.